Yo guys, and welcome back to a new video here on the channel. My name is Dan from CryptoRover, and thank you guys once again for tuning in to this amazing new video here today on the channel. Guys, we will be discussing the Bitcoin and Ethereum price action, and of course for today's video we are seeing some very specific price targets getting formed here on the 1 hourly time frame. We are seeing some inverse head and shoulders playing out on the 1 hourly for Bitcoin and Ethereum. So if you are interested in this, make sure to watch the video till the end here. And let's go right away into the video. So yeah, if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, make sure to do so right now here as well, guys. We are very close with reaching the 48.4k here. Would be amazing if you can right now smash up that subscribe button. And of course, if you're not willing to miss out on these time-related videos, you can be right away as well smashing up that bell notification. So without further ado, let's go right away into the video. So 4 hourly time frame for Bitcoin, symmetrical triangle is still in play here. Today is once again a special day here, so the volume will be still low here because it's a special day for America. So yeah, we were waiting for the weekends, but today probably the Monday will be still pretty boring. The volume will be still pretty low here, so let's see how this will be ending. Of course, tomorrow I will be really want to see a breakout of this symmetrical triangle. If we can't see it, of course, breaking out tomorrow, it will be, of course, the day after. It can be definitely still breaking out towards the 3rd or maybe the 4th of June. But I do think that we always tend to break out earlier than hitting the apex. So yeah, I do expect that we are going to break out and see a lot of volatility in the coming 2 to 3 days. So yeah, that's already a thing that you have to be looking out for. And guys, besides that, guys, yeah, yesterday we have been decreasing a little bit here, but is this really the reason to worry? I don't think so. We are clearly still setting this this higher low over here, and we can definitely still form out this this potential W structure on Bitcoin. We are starting a very nice uptrend over here. There's absolutely no reason to panic for me right now here. Maybe people are saying this is not healthy for the W structure, but of course, if you're looking at the 1 hourly time frame, this looks clearly like the formation of maybe such a inverse head and shoulders. And of course, yesterday on the channel we were already speculating that we can be maybe seeing an inverse head and shoulders playing out here, and you can see over here left shoulder getting formed here, head getting formed over here, and then the right shoulder is well getting formed over here. This is, of course, absolutely beautiful to see here. And this can be, of course, also potentially giving us very good returns. And, I mean, I also see this inverse head and shoulders on Ethereum. And on Ethereum, it even looks more more healthy and more significant as well. So yeah, I will be going into the Ethereum price section in a second, but this looks extremely good here for Bitcoin. And this can be also giving me a potential price target around the 40k here. And guys, let me know in the comment section, what do you think is going to happen earlier? Are we going to reach the 40k earlier, or are we going to touch the 30k earlier? Let me know in the comment section. I'm very curious what you guys currently think on the market. So as well, guys, if you haven't already signed up with Bybit, you can do so right now in the pinned comment in the description. If you're signing up with Bybit, you're getting a $2,610 deposit bonus. And besides that as well here, guys, you can be joining this training competition. Highest link in the description. And if you're going to do so, you can be joining this prize pool. And you can be, of course, gaining some extra Bitcoin where you're already trading on Bybit. So if you haven't already joined it, make sure to do so. It's completely free to join here. And it would be amazing, of course, if you're going to do so. And guys, also let me go a little bit into the 4 hourly time frame. So yeah, the inverse head and shoulders right now playing out on the 1 hour as well. If I flip onto the EMA ribbon, you can see we are once again fighting against the EMA ribbon on the 1 hour, and we are about to break through it. And that's of course beautiful to see. And I definitely want to be seeing, of course, the volatility getting created on this one. So as well, guys, if I flip it to the 4 hourly candles, you can see each and every time for Bitcoin, since we were in this downtrend, the 4 hourly EMA was providing us insane amounts of resistance. As you can see, it is pushing down the price ever since we were breaking below it. And what I want to be seeing really right now here is, of course, the smash through of this EMA ribbon towards the upside, and of course finally finding some support on the EMA. So yeah, let's see how the coming hours will be developing, but I definitely think, yeah, we can be maybe seeing this breakthrough anytime soon here, because yeah, we are already trading at lower signs. And like I told you before yesterday as well, my Instagram here, I was telling you guys a little bit of a story, and I was telling you guys why are we seeing such a significant drop-off right now for Bitcoin, and it is all because of the open interest. Of course, we have way more open interest than previously in the market, and for me, once everyone is in fear, once blood is in the street, guys, you want to be accumulating, don't be on the wrong side, benefit from the drop off. Once everyone is saying you have to be selling, you should be buying, in my opinion. So let me also discuss Ethereum, guys. This is a quick thought about Bitcoin, of course. Ethereum looks extremely healthy still here. Still this W getting formed here on the 4 hourly candles. Nothing to worry about. Nothing to worry about. Still looks extremely healthy, of course. We're not going up in a straight line here, of course. It goes up in waves here. But yeah, we can be definitely forming this potential W here on the price section of Ethereum. And this can be, of course, helping us to push up the price towards the $4,000 US. And yeah, still will be saying this, guys. The best way to enter the market right now is just dollar cost averaging in, because then you're going to buy on a very nice average price here. And of course, the chances of going higher are definitely here. But also, maybe something is going to happen. So maybe the whales are going to play more games and push the price lower. And then you're, of course, also accumulating something at the lower side. So never go all in at one position. But definitely, if you're not accumulating around these levels, I think you're going to miss out on very good potential rewards here. So yeah, Ethereum can be definitely heading towards its top side target around the $2,900 US. Of course, guys, once we're seeing a breakout of Ethereum, of Bitcoin, we will be taking a trade all together. That's the thing that you can be expecting from me, at least. So make sure to keep your eyes out on the channel. Make sure to ring the bell notification, because once taking a trade, I will be at least doing a live stream, or I will be, of course, uploading a video all together with you guys. So can't wait to see how this will be ending as well here for the Ethereum compared to Bitcoin chart on the 4 hour, on the daily candles. Guys, we are also about to see a breakout. If we're going to see a breakout on this chart, I will be probably already trading it, because this will be showing us as well extreme good follow through here. This will be pushing up the price for Ethereum compared to Bitcoin towards 0.1 of a 0.1 BTC compared to Ethereum valuation. So that's, of course, extremely good looking. And as well, guys, last thing that I'm going to say here, I will be wrapping up the video as soon as possible here, so I can upload it as well as soon as possible for you guys. Is, as you can see over here, this inverse head and shoulders on the price action of Ethereum looks extremely good here, and we are about to have a breakout even, guys. I was not even aware of this. We are about to see a breakout right now. This looks extremely good here. Look at this perfect inverse head and shoulders. Left shoulder getting formed, head getting formed, and then a right shoulder as well here. So yeah, perfect inverse head and shoulders getting formed here. Perfect price target that we can be, of course, approaching here in the coming days here. We can be pushing up the price towards the $2,766 US. And if you want to be taking this trade, I should definitely recommend signing up with Bybit, and a link in the description. But this is a very good setup, of course. If we're going to see a breakout and after that a retest, this can be potentially giving us 14% returns here. So yeah, this looks extremely good for Ethereum. Still will be saying it's quite risky trading today here because of the national event. But of course, this looks like a perfect setup, perfect pattern playing out here. Inverse head and shoulders will be pushing up the price towards the $2,750 US. But guys, thank you so much for watching here. I will be trying to upload this video as soon as possible, so I can keep you guys up to date about this specific price target here for Ethereum and for Bitcoin. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and peace out. Goodbye.